Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to be covering the linear pattern. We are done with that check valve project, but after this lecture we are going to continue building that assembly for the other part for that valves. But because the linear pattern doesn't really fall under that valve, so I'm just going to show you just a quick way to make linear pattern. So to start, let's just draw a sketch on any plane and click sketch and make sure you are normal too. Let's draw a rectangle, something like that, and let's make it let's make it 7 and let's make it 5. Oh no, let's make it 3. So you have something like that. So now go to the feature and let's extrude it up 2.25, something like that. So now we have that. Now let's click on the face, the top face, and let's draw another sketch. And let's draw, make it normal too, and let's draw a sketch somewhere here, a circle. And let's add the dimension to it, just to get in the habit of fully defining sketches. Let's make that 3 and let's add another dimension here and let's make that 1 and let's add a dimension to the diameter of that. Let's make it 0.5. So we have something like that, and let's extrude cut it down. So we want to extrude cut it to next. So and you click OK. So we have that now. So let's say we want to pattern this circle around this plate. So what we'll do is we'll click on the linear pattern. So for the linear pattern, the direction to pattern, you always want to select a edge of the feature. So we'll select that edge because we want to pattern it along that edge. And then we're gonna go to feature to pattern. We want to pattern that O, and right now my last setting was there, so let's say we want to pattern it 6 times, and for the dimension, the same thing as the sketch, let's add 5. 5 is too much, let's add 0.5 and let's see what that is, or 1. So we have 1 there, so let's just go with that. Oh sorry, let's just go with that. So we are going to pattern it. Let's see what 7 is. Okay, we are going to pattern it 7 times. The distance is 1 from each other, and now that is pretty much how you add it. So let's say I want to add another direction, so I can click this line for the direction 2. And how many do I want to pattern? I'm gonna do 3. The distance, let's do 0.5 or 1. There you go. So we now have another direction. The distance is 1 apart and 3 instance. So that is pretty much how you do the linear pattern. And that down here, so we can do instance to skip. So when we click instance to skip, we can actually click on the inside and skip whichever hole we want to skip. And when we are done with all that setting, we'll just click OK. And there you go, you have your circular pattern on the plate. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.